Welcome back to Autistic Audits UK, guys, and this is Baker House, part of the Jigsaw Homes group here in Manchester. It's actually an area called Miles Platting. Well, I've been here today as part of an autism protest about how my former landlord has been using that diagnosis as a means to carry out some nasty offences towards me. Anyway, here are the interactions. Don't get too close.
Can I help you?
No.
Turn that away from me.
No. Whoa.
Turn it away from me.
You were about to assault me.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you was.
Turn it away from me.
No.
You can't just video someone like that.
I can. You've walked up to the camera. Ooh.
Why are you videoing?
It's none of your business, is it?
You're videoing me.
Now I am. You've walked right up to the camera and you've been quite threatening, haven't you?
What's the meaning behind you filming us?
Sorry?
Can we ask why you're filming?
You can ask politely, yeah. Why am I filming? I'm making a documentary about Jigsaw Homes.
Oh, right, okay. Regarding what?
It's just a documentary. I don't really want to go into it until I've completed it, that's all.
No, that's fine, it's fine.
But it had nothing to do with you two. I was sat over there. I could have been like there, kind of hawking.
We're just wondering. Right, well, I need to know why you're videoing me. For what reason? That's why I asked you.
Yeah, and I've told you. I'm making a documentary, but I wasn't actually filming you.
You can't film a documentary without asking me.
Well, I can actually.
No, I don't think you can.
I can actually. It's the law.
What law? The people
Well,
you just go around videoing me.
Section 33 of the 1972 Crime and Criminal Justice Bill.
Coming too close.
No, you're coming too close. You came to me.
Have a good evening.
Thank you so much. Can't say the same to you about your friend though here.
See you soon.
Will you?
Why are you filming me?
Sorry?
Why are you filming me?
Why are you asking the question?
Sorry?
Why are you asking the question?
No, I saw you before. You just filming me. Now I see you filming me as well.
Why do you think I'm filming you?
Huh?
Why do you think I'm filming you?
No, I'm just asking. Nothing possible. I can see you just filming me. I don't know why you're filming me.
I'm not filming you specifically.
Yeah, but you was not holding it. When I opened the door, you just started filming me.
No, it was already filming.
No, you was not holding in your hand. I can see that. I don't have any problem. I'm just concerned because I saw you before you filming me. Now you filming me again.
I'm not filming you specifically. You keep thinking I'm filming you, and it was filming. It's been continuously filming since I got you.
All day long. I don't mind, but I'm just asking.
It's not you I'm filming.
There's nothing there except me.
Sorry?
It's only me here.
It's fine.
Huh?
I'm not filming you, so it doesn't matter whether there's only you here or there's more of you. I'm not filming you. Try to understand that.
Videoing for, pal?
What?
What are you videoing for?
Just doing a documentary about Jigsaw.
Oh, you can't video without permission.
Can.
You can't. You can't video someone without their permission.
Right, what law's that then?
It's in any law. Without any person's permission, you are not allowed to video.
You're wrong about that. Sorry, mate. Yeah, no worries, mate. Did you find out? Did you educate you? You got educated, didn't you? You come back out with your tail between your legs.
Yeah, it's illegal, pal.
Is it legal?
Yeah, it's illegal.
Oh, so the police will be here any second, will they? Yeah, of course they will, mate. See ya.